Guys, Grok AI is still very much free. Okay, I'm going to be showing you that in this video. Right now, I'm making this video because of my subscribers that use Grok AI for their content. Now I've come to realize that a lot of you use Grok AI for your content creation here on YouTube, whether as a face channel or as a faceless channel creator, right? And over the past 48 hours, you must have noticed by now that it's no longer free like the usual Grok you used to know, right? A lot of things have changed. Whenever you try to create your videos, this is the interface that you actually come across, and you'll be wondering how you can navigate. Now you can check out those AI videos later on my channel. Okay, it's tagged to my channel as a collaborator, of course. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can navigate through that Grok feed. Do you understand me? Grok just changed some principles on how it works. It's still very much free. Or if only you follow this procedure I'm going to be showing you. I've also dropped another procedure. It's actually two procedures you can use to use your Grok AI for free up until now. Okay, now the only thing you need for this procedure I'm going to be dropping is your X account. Okay, X as in Twitter, formerly known as Twitter. You need to create an account and use it to navigate, and you'll be using Grok like nothing else. Let's not waste too much time. Let's just dive right into this tutorial. Okay, so in order for you to get started, you're going to need a Twitter account, like I said before. If you don't already have one, then just go ahead and create one. You can create one by using either you download the Twitter app or you use the website like I'm doing right now, which is this s.com. Okay, that's the official website. You will need it for this process. You know, Twitter owns Grok. That's Elon Musk owns Twitter and Grok, right? So they are both intertwined and they work hand in hand. And this is the beautiful part in this tutorial. Now, once you are logged in, I'll just go ahead and sign in via Google, okay? Because I have an account before now, right? So I'll use my Google account to log into my Twitter account to show you this tutorial, right? Now, once you are logged in, from there, you will see the next process, okay? Now, this is my account. So this is my account, as you can see. Now, what you have to do is just to click on your profile, right? Click on your profile where your picture is showing. This is the next update. Look at this premium. This premium is the banger, guys. Just click on this premium, okay? And now, look at the magic. This is the bonus. You know, Grok was asking for $40, guys. Now he's asking for less than $3. This is like 3,800 naira per month, and that's like about 2 point something dollars, right? It's not even up to $3. So you can go ahead and subscribe. Now look at it. When you subscribe to this particular package, it gives you the verified check mark. That means your Twitter account has that blue verification mark. Do you understand? And then it gives you enhanced Grok access. That is what we are looking for, guys. This is the big news. And look at other features: advanced analytics, less ads in your feed, boosted replies, write articles, get paid to post, creator subscription, and S Pro. All of this comes with this package for just 3,800 naira. That is about $2.50. This is good, guys. I know this is good. Right now, then this is the basic. Okay, this premium is the one we're doing. It said 50% off for 2 months. After 2 months, you can now start paying 7,600, and it's still very good for what Grok is offering, guys. It's still very good. Now this is the basic. This one is just, it has limitations. It doesn't have Grok, so there's no need subscribing to this one. This one is 3,000 per month, but it doesn't have Grok. Look at it. There's no Grok, so there's no need for that one. Is that you're using the first premium or you're using the premium plus. The premium plus is 30,000, so it's even still high. After 2 months, you start paying 60,000. This one has all of the full access. You know, before we were able to generate 30 seconds, but those people that were using Pro were able to generate more than that. Do you understand? So this is what the premium is talking about. So for me, I don't really need too much. If I can generate 50 videos a day, because that's what Grok is offering with this premium, okay, with this premium offer, that's okay for me. Now just go ahead and subscribe. But as I time of making this video, guys, I don't even have enough I don't even have enough money on my card to make this payment. But I just said, let me come and show you guys first. I'll still go ahead and make this payment, but this is, times are hot. Like, this is a new hot update and I need to drop it down. So I'll go ahead and subscribe after now, okay? Because I need it to make my videos, right? This is what I do. I need to put my card, but I don't really have enough cash on it right now. So let me just pause. But this is what you do when you get to this part, this interface. Just fill in your card details, right? And then you start using it. Will now take you back to your X account. Okay, let me go and show you something. After it takes you back to your X account, let's go back. Okay, I'll fill my form and probably I'll do another video after filling the payment card, after filling in my card details, of course. Right now, imagine I filled my card details and there is money on that account. it will not show, when you click on this profile again, it will not show open Grok right here. Guys, this is not, I'm not trying to joke with you. I've seen a lot of creators that have posted about this. They have used it. I saw it with my own eyes and it works. Do you understand? More than 5 people have used this. So it's not as if I'm bringing something that is not working. Like I said before, this is a new update and I don't even have the patience to go and subscribe yet, but this is how it works. So when you click on this part, it will not show you underneath here, it will not show you open Grok. Do you understand? When you open Grok, it will take you straight to Grok app like this. Do you get? Now, instead of using your email to log into Grok like you used to, like sign in with Google, you will no longer continue with Google this time around. You will now sign in with X. Do you understand? Because you've already made your subscription of $2.50 or 3,000 plus naira, you will now click on continue with X right here, and then it will now ask you to authorize your X account to this particular Grok. Do you understand? And immediately you link it, guys, your Grok will start working again, and you'll be able to generate over 50 videos a day. Guys, you've seen it. If this video has been helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and also share so that others can as well learn. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.